Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the watch off and removing the band so you have clear access. This prevents accidental inputs and makes the surface stable. Once done, mask the bezel tightly with tape to protect metal and plastics, and test the polishing compound on a hidden edge to confirm no color change. Now take a microfiber and a drop of 0.5 micro-M polishing paste, apply with a cotton swab, and use small circular strokes for the first abrasive pass to break down top scratches. You continue by refining the area with controlled polishing. Apply light pressure and make 10 to 20-second passes, changing direction each time so scratches are abraded uniformly. Then move to a finer polish, either a dedicated micro-finish paste or reduce compound strength to 1/4. This restores clarity and reduces haze. Make sure to keep the glass cool. Heat warps coatings. Pause frequently and inspect under angled light, so you know whether to repeat or advance to the final finish step. You finish by removing all residue with 70% isopropyl on a fresh microfiber, then buff to a final shine with light, circular motions so oils don't re-embed. Once clean, reassemble the band and consider a tempered glass protector for deeper scratches that polishing can't fully hide. If you see clouding, streaks, or coating delamination, stop polishing immediately. Let the watch rest 24 hours and reevaluate. If problems persist, consult a professional repair service to avoid permanent damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.